look into your textbook, page 230, 238. Okay, so we are going to have over here number 1. Determine whether the following pair of straight lines are parallel. Oh, this one last week pula. Yesterday we didn't finish yet our nilam, right? But I told you that we are going to look at what if parallel.
Gradient.
M1 equals to M2 means if we have over here the first straight line. Here we have 3y equals to negative 6x plus 3, and the other one we have y plus 2x equals to 14. So we are going to compare our gradient. So can we compare our gradient now? Cannot yet. Yes, for the first equation there we are going to divide by 3, isn't it? So if you divide by 3 over here, we are going to get this one is y equals to negative 2x plus 1. Okay, so where's your gradient for the first equation over here? Negative 2. Your gradient here is going to be, negative 2. We compare with our second equation there. What must I do? Yes, bring first our 2x to the right side. You are going to have your equation here, y equals to negative 2x plus 14. Straight away you have your gradient negative 2. So this is your gradient here is going to be negative 2. Is it M1 equals to M2?
Yes.
Yes. So when you have M1 equals to M2, M is gradient okay? So means that both of our straight line here is going to be
Parallel.
yes, hashtag parallel. Okay? Can girls? Because we are going to compare only our gradient, but make sure we are going to convert into equation of straight line y equals to mx plus c. Okay. Can I proceed? Okay, we look at C. Okay. See here, y equals to 2x plus 1 and 8x minus 4y equals to 5. Okay, we have two equations over here. So what must I do first? Find the gradient. So this one, the first one, got already, right? So M1 here is going to be 2. Is it? I can straight away find my gradient there? Cannot yet. So means what? I'm going to move my 8x to the right side. Then you are going to have over here negative 4y equals to negative 8x plus 5. So what should we do next?
Divide.
Yes, divide with negative 4. So negative 4, 1. Negative, positive, 4 and 8, 2. Negative, positive, negative. So our equation here is going to be y equals to 2x minus 5. So we have our, what is it? Second gradient, isn't it?
Yes.
Which is our M2 here is 2. So we compare M1 and M2. Is it same?
Yes.
Yes. So means what? It is parallel. Can? Okay. We move to number 2. Okay. Determine the value of K. Okay. For each of the following pair of, say over here, it is a parallel line. It is a parallel line. Just now, number 1, we only want to determine, isn't it? So that's why we have our M1 and M2. We are going to compare for our M1 and M2. For this one, for number 2 over here, this is definitely our gradient there is going to be the same, isn't it? But now we are going to determine for the value of our K. So So if you look over here for our b, okay, I'm going to write down first the question here. Kx plus 2y equals to 7, and we have 6x plus 2y equals to 15. Okay, we have two equations over here. So what must I do first? Find our, because we know that we are going to have what over here? We are going to have parallel lines, isn't it? So we are going to have over here the first equation, the second equation, we are going to get our gradient is the same. Must be the same lah, because it's parallel line. Okay, we just want to know our value of k. Okay, now first thing first, I'm going to do what over here? Bring kx, isn't it? Because we are going to make our equation of straight line become 2y equals to negative kx plus 7. So what must I do next is, yes, divided by 2, because we are going to make our coefficient of y become 1. So this one just, okay, so you are going to have over here y equals to negative k over 2x plus 7 over 2. Am I right?
Yes.
Am I right? Where is your gradient?
Negative k over 2.
Okay, so we have our first equation over here. Our gradient here is negative k over 2. Now, we go to our second equation of straight line there. We are going to bring what first?
6x.
Yes, 6x to the left, to the right, sorry. So you are going to have over here 2y equals to negative 6x plus 15. Am I right? Okay, so what should we do next?
Divide by
Yes, divide by 2. So 2 and 6, 3, 2, 15, just leave it there. So you are going to get what? This one? Y equals to
20x plus 3x plus
15 over 2. Where's your gradient? Negative 2? Yes, our gradient here is negative 3. So we know that from the beginning, both of our straight line is parallel. So straight away, we are going to state that our negative k over 2 equals to negative 3. Why?
Then we have to solve.
Why did we make it equal? Because it's parallel. M1 equals to M2, isn't it? Okay. From here lah, M1 equals to M2. So what should I do? Cross. So you are going to get over here. Bring 2 to the right side. So you're going to get negative k equals to negative 3 times 2, negative 6. Because we are going to find only our k. What happened to negative? Finish lah. Times with negative 1 on the both side also can. You are going to get k here is going to be 6. Can, girls? Can? Okay, the second one, D. Okay, let me have it here. Okay, what we have over here for our D equations, 3x plus ky equals to 4. And we have 2x plus y equals to 3. Okay, what should we do first?
Attention to all band members. Please gather at the unshown now. I repeat. Attention to all band members. Please gather at the unshown now.
Okay. So what must I do first over here?
We need to bring the 3x.
Okay. You have to find the gradient.
Yeah.
Okay. So we bring our 3x to the right side. So your friend said we are going to find our gradient. Okay. So we have over here is negative 3x plus 4. Isn't it?
Yes.
So what must I do?
Divide by K.
Yes, because we are going to make sure that our y there is only y lah. Okay, so you are going to have over here is y. Okay, k finish. This one just leave it like that. So you are going to get negative k and negative 3 over k x plus with 4 over k. So where is your m1? Yes. Now we go for the second equation here. Straight away we are going to bring what?
2x to the right.
Yes. So you are going to have over here y equals to negative 2x plus 3. Do I need to divide with anything? No need. Divide by 1. No need. Okay. So you are going to have your. Yes, this is your m2 here, negative 2. What must you do next?
1 equals to M2.
Yes, we know that when it say that our two line here is parallel, so we are going to take our gradient over here. So we are going to replace, substitute, okay, equals to our negative 2. So what must you do here? Cross. Change place only, right? So we are going to have over here what? K equals to negative 3 over negative 2, isn't it? So negative finish. So your K here is going to be 3 over 2. That's going to be your value, answer. The value of our K. Can, girls? Okay, now we are going to look at our number 3. Can? Okay. Our problem solving over here. The diagram on the right shows a parallelogram PQRS. What does it mean by parallelogram? Parallel. What does it mean? Parallel. The both that are opposite. The opposite side is going to be parallel. So means that PS is going to be parallel with QR. PQ parallel to SR. That's what the question said. Okay. Calculate the value of H and K. Where's H? Do? Yeah.
Okay.
And K.
Down.
Here. So we have over here what? Everything. You are going to find what first?
You have actually to find the gradient.
Yalah. We got 4 equation there. So which one you are going to pairing?
We are going to use hx plus y equals to 10 and 2y equals to 5x minus 4 to find the h.
So if you look over here, we are going to take the first one here. Why? Because both equation there, if you look, the straight line is going to be parallel. So now I'm going to take the equation here, hx plus y equals to 10, and the other one we have 2y equals to 5x minus 4. Okay. Then
we need to bring hx to the right.
you are going to have y equals to negative hx plus 10. So your first gradient here is going to be negative h. Okay? Your first gradient here is going to be negative h. How about the second equation there?
We're going to divide.
You are going to divide with 2 straight away, isn't it? Everything is going to be divided by 2. So what you are going to have over here, 2 and 2. Just leave it. 2 and 4 here, you're going to get negative 2, isn't it? So our equation here, you are going to get y equals to 5 over 2x minus 2. Am I right?
Yes.
So where is your m2?
5 over 2.
5 over 2 is your m2. So we know that both line here is gonna be parallel. So by using our M1 equals to M2, so just substitute back M1 is negative H and our M2 here is 5/2. So you got your answer already, right?
Negative 5/2.
Yes, because we have negative H is incorrect. We are going to find our H. So actually, you are going to bring negative only to the right side. You are going to get your answer. H here is negative 5/2. Can girls? We're going to look at our second one there. So what we have over here? 6y equals to kx plus 12. And the second one that are going to be what we call parallel here with our the upper one there, y equals to 1/2x plus 6. Actually, the second one you have already your m2, isn't it? Okay, so for the first one over here, what should we do? Divide by 6 everything here. So you are going to have 6, 6, 1, 6k, leave it, 6, 12, want to get 2. So you are going to have over here y equals to k/6x plus 2. So your first gradient here is going to be k/6. How about our second gradient there? Given already there. M2 here is going to be 1/2. So what should we do?
M1 equals M2.
Because it's parallel, so you are going to state M1 equals to M2. So we are going to put here k/6 equals to 1/2. So if I want to find my k value, cross. No need to cross. Just bring 6 here. If you cross, you are going to get 2k equals to 6.
Yes.
Same lah.
Oh, times is 1. Shortcut. Yeah.
So you are going to get your value of k is 3. Your friend said cross. Can, no problem. I'm going to show to your friends. So this one you are going to get 2k equals to 1 times 6 is 6. So you are going to bring 2 over here to the right side. K equals to 6 divided by 2. So you are going to get the same answer actually. Isn't it? That's the beauty of mathematics. That's it. Okay, we finish our